So, good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Happy to welcome you all here again in our daily market morning review, BS prediction, blah, 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 blah. So, we got a new week, the new week of 2026. So, we are going to check what's gonna happen this week and what happened last week. Okay, so as usually we are removing all the shit we got here. And first of all, we're checking the weekly Dixie DXY dollar index. Yes. So I'm just saying three different names so everyone can understand what's that about, yeah? Because one guy told me that nobody knows what Dixie is. Like you need to say DXY. So I'm also saying dollar index, so then everybody knows. Okay. So we got in here one weekly time frame fair value gap, and that's will be the point of turnaround for me. So I was expecting the price to be here, and then from here I would like to see some kind of if the chart led us to see that, then because that that not maybe just like just like move like one straight move and then one straight move down, yeah, and then the same again like this and then lower. So it's not that right as you can see it on the example somewhere, or so that may be like this. So now we are just as a just to explain for you guys. So let's say now we have here one daily imbalance, then also we got one in here, daily imbalance. Yes. Sorry, I'm still sleeping. I can't I can't completely open my eyes. Wow. So daily. So as you can see, even if we are going to form something in between, that may be like this. So we go up here and previous week low, then I would like to see the weekly imbalance, the test of weekly imbalance, and then keep going down. So continuation of the downtrend, as we can see, and as we can see it in here, right? So like we have I think it's good enough. So but still, we don't need to go that far away. Let's just check what's there. But usually Monday is a skip day, because Monday is the first day of the week, and then Monday shows us the direction. Usually Monday shows us the direction of the day, as it was here. You see, Monday did nothing. We just beat the previous day high, and then all the days was going up. Here, Monday also, as we can see, probably there was news, but still, we got a upside. We beat the previous day high, and then So as we can see today, Monday already broke the previous day low. So the first thing what he did was previous day low. So I think it's more than possible that we are going to see some kind of correction this week. And it could be like something like this to this previous week low, these equal lows, and then maybe lower, and then we go up here again. Yeah, I'm still expecting to see the test of this weekly imbalance, and only after that, we can see something else. But look, it was such a nice look we have here. Okay, 1 4 hour BPR. Okay, sorry, not that. Here. This is BPR. And then here we have a 4-hour imbalance. Let's, oh, shit, I can't wake up, mamma mia. Good, good. Okay, then also we have here 4-hour BPR. As you can see, because here, if we mark this as a inversion, so this is an inverted imbalance, right? That got inside the BPR. So yeah, this is really good zone of turnaround. So we may not test this even and just went here, but Asia and also in between the sessions was a big move. So I I think I think I think okay, let's don't forget to mark this one as a 4-hour imbalance. Then we go lower to 1 hour. We can see here 1 hour imbalance that can let us do the continuation move. But see, first we did the rebalance of the Friday's gap, you see, in Asia, and now the Frankfurt did the reswip. He grabbed some liquidity from here and here. Here, yes, you can see here. And then now, okay, now it depends how do we close this hour, because we can also do the test of this weekly point of interest today. And yeah, that's possible. That's more than possible. Yes, but I will consider that only after I see some kind of market shift. And then if we do something like this, then I will search for some entry point like somewhere here, you know, if we have something, of course. If we have something, yeah, but still don't forget it's Dixie. I'm like always showing the positions in Dixie, because when I'm trading euro or pound to US dollar, then I'm always watching the DXY, because for me, like, the DXY is more important than. So yeah, you need to see the liquidity sweeps on DXY, not on euro, because if DXY doesn't get it, then the euro for sure is gonna come back to that. That's why you get the reswip. Okay, so for DXY, I think plan is understandable. In case if we have a reaction in here, then we just do the continuation move. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. We'll see what's gonna happen. Then let's check pound. British pound. British pound also did a very nice move. Let's remove this. So British pound weekly time frame. So we still have here one weekly imbalance, same as, yeah, okay, not the same. It's a bit different. It's built different. Haha. Now we can also mark this as a BPR, and also here we have a weekly FTA, weekly resistance zone. Then okay, at weekly nothing more. Then daily we did here a swip as I was expecting. Then okay, now as the most important is here, this daily fair value gap, and then okay, we get one more bit lower, also daily. Okay, so now we need to wait until we have some more information in daily. I think it's going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and we are going to reach this, maybe a little bit higher, and then I want to see the price somewhere here, of course. Yes, of course. It's the weekly imbalance and 1 hour rejection zone at the weekly time frame as well. So let's see what we got at 4 hours. Okay, it is possible. It is possible to. Oh, sorry, that's not daily. That's 4 hours. To see some kind of continuation move on pound. So if we return here to this 4 hour imbalance and there is a reaction of price, then I will try to enter some longs. But yeah, if the Dixie goes the way I want, but it's probably not. I think the Dixie is gonna just fall down. Yeah, we'll see. Then wait until the London opens for sure, and then we'll consider any options as possible. So, hoppa, 1 4 hour imbalance in here as well. 1 4 hours. Okay. Then 1 hour. So the target is the daily imbalance, of course. And then look how big and nice 1 hour imp. So big, so big. Then here also 1 hour imbalance. Also we could see the just continuation of the move, like from here. So we may not come back to this 4 hours, of course. Yeah, but of course you never know. We'll see after we probably gonna reach the previous day high, and after if we see some correction, then that's possible. So 2 options. So again, I think I want to see the price in here first of all, and then that may be also like this. So we go to do retest, and then we go higher, and then another one we just go through and then go lower. So 3 targets, of course, here. Next we do euro dollar. So what we can see at the weekly time frame, so we got one already inverted weekly imbalance. Okay, this one is not formed yet. Also one mini weekly balance in here. So small that you can't even see it. Okay. And then daily. Yeah, we already went through this. Then one daily imbalance in here. And then we do another one imbalance in here. Is it that small? Oh my fucking gosh. I can't even see it. But still, he's there. So wait, I see a liquidity in here. That's also weekly imp. Yeah, that's why. So then 1 4 hour imp in here. Yeah, here nothing, only one in here. 4 hours. Okay. Then we already went to the daily. Okay, and we see the reaction on daily. I see a good swip. So then, now, I think we're gonna go lower. But Asia did a nice long move and the Frankfurt didn't broke it, so it's still possible that we can go higher than this. It's still possible that we can go higher. Okay, then we got 1 hour imb inside of 4 hours, or 4 hours inside of 1 hour, and then also 1 hour in here. Okay. So yeah, wait until the London opens, of course, and then if you can see the model, because now it's nothing. Now it's just keep going up. Nothing you can do, nothing you can see. So this is euro. Okay, so possible that we go here, maybe even deeper, then we keep going up. That's the option, 4 hour, or we just go in there straight, or we do the test of this and then we go higher, or of course we're just now closing this hourly candle in 15 minutes, like here, somewhere in here, and we close it by short, and then we're just going lower and lower and lower. Ta-da! You're welcome. So, Goldie, all about gold. Oh, excusez-moi. So, weekly. Nothing interesting. Then, we got a here. What is this? Is this his daily imbalance? Yes. Is this daily imbalance? Yes, daily. So now, yeah, this one is not, it's not formed yet, but still, yeah, okay, I'm gonna mark this just to have it. And then we got one inverted imbalance on daily time frame. That means, like, actually, yeah, we just have an upside trend on gold. So we didn't reach the numbers that I was waiting. It wasn't here. I was expecting the whole week that gold is gonna be somewhere here, and then let's see. Yeah, maybe I'm too concentrated on my ideas and not watching the market enough. You know, just to catch this moment that I missed, like with gold, because I was waiting one thing, but the market says fuck you, mister. And yeah, I'm gonna do the way I want it. So another 4 hour imbalance, then one more in here. So yeah, just follow the trend and keep going up. There is nothing I can yeah, of course, maybe we could see the deeper test of this hour imbalance, so we can grab this liquidity. So maybe something like this, maybe deeper, maybe not. But then anyway, I expect the, yeah, continuation, just continuation until we we're not going lower than this. After we go lower than this, then yeah, that may be the break of structure, maybe. Yeah, okay, no, here, yeah, if we take it, so we got one here, then here, then here, and then here, so break of structure will be in here. Yeah, just use this the smaller time frame, and everything is gonna be all right. Everything is be all right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, here nothing. Yeah, okay. M15. We get to 15 minutes imbalance. Oh, that's the wrong one. Here. 15 minutes inversion. Yeah, I can do the low curva risk with stop Frankfurt high and then the take in here. So 107. Let's do it, no? Let's try. But it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Okay, let's just save this only on the paper. And then maybe we can use it in the future. Yes. Okay, guys. So this is it. That was the small weekly review and daily bias. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Salami and see you tomorrow.